Hey everyone, I am back with Lisa.
Hey everyone.
We are just chilling in the Starbucks here at the Q, getting ready to go back on in the kitchen with David.
Yeah.
And just wanted to see if you guys had any questions. Were you able to watch the show? What were your favorite items? We would love some feedback. And just, I know it was super busy. Lisa said there were a ton of comments.
Oh my gosh.
So we just wanted to make sure that we got to everyone. Boy, that was a lot of fun, I have to say. Hey, Deborah, how are you? That was a lot of fun working with David, and it never feels like work.
How much fun was that, right?
So fun. Just sharing an hour and all of his excitement and enthusiasm. So hopefully we made you laugh. Hopefully we entertained you. Gina said she loved the app set. Isn't that cute? So I got to ask a question. What did you guys think about us having the seasonal outside of the season we normally carry it? This was kind of a test tonight. I haven't seen all the results, but I'm just curious, like, what did you guys think of that? Was it nice to be able to purchase Romance now or Egg Hunt now? So just curious. Hello everyone. Hello, Rosalia. You got the mother load today.
Oh.
I saw all your packages. That was amazing. I can't wait to see all your goodies. Hey, Lisa Mancini Lasorte jumped on. How you doing there, Lise? As she's
hi. That's why I can help you answer the question.
Oh, you're the best. Will there be any new mugs coming out? Oh, there will be mugs coming out in new patterns, in polka dot. I won't give too much away. Oh, maybe I just did. Yes, stay tuned. Individually gift boxed. We got you hooked up for Christmas gifts and holiday gifts and all sorts of to me, from me gifts. You know how we roll. I love it. Sometimes can't purchase at the holiday. Totally understand. Love the seasonal all year round. That's great. That's great to hear. Good. Most people are seasons scattered in all year. Okay. This is really, really great feedback I can share, of course, with the buying team and let them know. Hello, everyone. Mary Miller. I love the idea. I also love how separate SKU. So tired of searching through the regular. Oh, good. She says she likes how the seasonals pulled out.
Yes.
We were wondering about that. If that was confusing. I think to some of you who've been collecting for so long, you know to look for that.
Yes.
But does the new customer who's kind of just getting their feet wet with the seasonal, do they know? So really great feedback. Thank you. Is that the Chunky watching?
I think I just saw him.
Love you. Thanks. Miss you. Where have you been? Hello, Dorothy. Hi, Dana. The seasonal items were great. Any teacups? Do we have any teacups?
We might have some available on
Temp-tations
online only.
Yeah, on online only.
And we
or
have,
Temp-tations.com, right?
Yes, and we have some more coming, like, honestly, January 2020.
January 2020. Okay, so we hear you. We are working on teacups. Loved everything. Thank you. Love the seasonal all year round. That's great.
Oh, this is great.
Wine glasses are coming. We did stemless, and then we still have those goblets that are all embossed that I believe are still available on QVC.com.
That's correct.
Traditional stemless wine glasses are coming at the end of this month.
Yeah.
So I'll let you know as soon as we know. You can.
I'm sorry.
Lisa's hitting me.
I actually just...
She hit me.
So wait, I saw a question in here about use and care of Temp-tations.
Yes.
So we're doing chats. I'm going to do another one next week. It will be posted. So if you have any questions on how to use or care for your Temp-tations.
And our first chat was
us.
fantastic. Lisa did it the other day. And I think we had over, 150 questions.
Great. No question, like we always say in the office.
No bad question.
No bad questions.
Ask away. I kind of missed that. I'm so sorry.
Okay.
More spring floral lace. Polka dots, love that. Looking forward to the wine glasses. It seems, by the way, you all love the lidded pitcher. So thank you for those suggestions. Many of you shared inspiration with us and things that had been passed down for you. So that was our attempt at it.
How about that one?
I'm looking down at Lisa's phone and seeing myself. Very interesting.
There she is.
Wow, double dose of Tara. Definitely will be getting the dinner set. Oh, Amanda, it's an amazing deal, you guys. I have to say, it's $3 a piece, and you're getting 20 pieces. So tuck them away. Think about them for gifts. Honestly, like, we don't have such amazing deals like that very often. So just full disclosure, I love to tell you that. Okay, more spring fetty. I do a memory Christmas tree. Can you do a tree ornament in your logo? How sweet.
I love that.
Yes. Did you guys see our pedestal with the 6 place card holders that are also ornaments. Those were really super cute, and you loved those.
Love them.
I'm getting the evil eye from Lisa.
No,
Hold, please.
not at all. Rosalia just asked about
Yes.
the holiday cream and sugar that we had last year.
Yes.
So we have that coming back in stock, and we have that new teapot in holiday. Maybe.
Now who's telling all the secrets? Now who's telling all the secrets? Are we allowed to talk about the show on the 25th?
Yes.
Yeah?
Well, I don't know, but let's do it.
Okay, so here's the deal. I'm going to get in really close. So we have, that's actually not cute. We have a holiday limited edition hour on August 25th with Alberti. And none of it you will see in advance because it's all limited edition. Where we did new patterns, returning favorites, all brand new pieces, and really, really excited. Like some of the traditions that I've grown up with, some of the input from all of you. We have an unbelievably church-shaped cookie jar. Like, wait till you see all of these amazing pieces. Okay, there. I said it. I'm not sure I was supposed to because it's probably supposed to be a surprise. But
maybe linens.
let's just keep it quiet between all of us, about the 300 of us that are on this little chat right now. Okay? It's just between us. Don't tell anybody. I'm a newbie collector. I hope you will bring some of your gorgeous older pieces back, like the vases, the bread box. Oh, great idea. I love that. Any pumpkin patch dinnerware sets. Do we have pumpkin patch dinnerware sets?
Not this year.
Not this year. Not this year. But stay tuned. We're always rolling them in. Molly Foo, what?
I know.
Was that to the hour, or did I say something?
And oh boy. I heard oh boy.
Oh boy, that's Paul.
Oh,
Paul's
boy.
in the house.
Love that.
Okay, I can't wait. Oh my God, I need to hit lotto. Noelle, you and I both. Let's hit the lotto.
Yes.
And let's design every possible Temp-tations piece we can and just send it out to everybody. Wouldn't that be great?
That would be a lot of fun,
That would be
actually.
awesome. That would make me really happy. Okay.
Cookie jar, yay.
Yep, cookie jar. Will dinnerware be in that show? Yes, we look alike, we sound alike, we have the same mannerisms. Yes, we do. I blame Ed. You should, Paul. It's always Ed's fault. No. Oh, Ed.
So wait, should we tell them what's
What?
Sunday? Sunday.
I don't know what Sunday is. Oh my gosh. Okay. Yes. So you have been seeing us post the mitt and towel set. The pumpkin, the acorn, and the ghost. It's going to be on Sunday in the kitchen with David.
I know.
And David was like, it's adorable.
Yep.
So I don't think it'll be available probably until midnight of Sunday. But just full disclosure, it's all we have. So if you've been interested in it and wanting it, it's amazing. Our microfiber, let me back that up, and our mitts. Okay, we need new dinnerware and romance and round sandwich plates. Love. Poor Ed. Rosalia Fusco. We love him.
Yes,
Just soup
we
bowl,
do.
shamrock, love it all. Okay. Woohoo,
Questions,
thank
right?
you. Yeah, any
Any more
questions?
questions?
Any questions? Or we are going to, what time is it, by the way?
8:30.
Okay, we're on at 9:15, so just trying to keep track of all of the time. Hi, ladies, love the show. Got the bowl ornaments. Yes, patiently waiting for the lit picture.
Oh, and you know what?
We don't even know when that's going to go on.
So our
Do we?
QVC calendar,
We don't, right? Okay.
So we don't know everything. Honestly, like when we tell you we don't know, we really don't know.
Yeah, we don't.
We don't know.
Because
So-
obviously we would tell you, because we tell you everything.
Yeah. So just stay tuned to our calendar on our website,
Yep.
Temp-tations.com, and that's the most up-to-date information that we have. And then, or either one of us will gush it as soon as we find out.
We'll tell you.
Promise.
Okay. When are the wine glasses coming out? Don't know. Towards the end of the month, for sure.
Yeah.
Are you going to do any cardinals this year? They're not specific cardinals. What?
Ed Tesher just
Oh,
joined.
Ed, did you know were somehow your ears burning? Did you know we were talking about you? Welcome, Ed. Paul already said we should blame everything on you. We agreed, and then Rosalia thought that was not nice. No, just kidding. Just doing a little after show. Just kind of talking through some things. But what were we talking about? The towels. What? The wine glasses, the towel mist. See, my husband comes on and I'm all distracted.
Staying tuned to the QVC calendar.
Oh, yeah.
on our
Stay tuned to the
website.
QVC calendar on our website.
Oh.
Because that's where you will see all of our airings and when we know things are going to come on.
Someone just had a really cute idea for an ice cream scoop.
Oh, that's adorable.
Maybe we could do.
No, I got it.
What?
A figural handle of our characters.
Oh,
Could you imagine like a
That
holiday
would be
ice
so
cream
cute.
scoop, and it has like the gingerbread or the snowman?
How about little Frankie? What? Right?
Mind blown. Okay. Will you ever consider bringing back the yellow? What?
Ed Tesher loves us both.
Oh, thanks, babe.
Such a nice, such a special guy.
Okay, we are gonna go.
Yeah.
Even though I honestly could sit here and read all of your comments and look at this. More whimsy, please. Olivia, buckle up. We have
Cardinals.
cuteness overload. Yep, cardinals, love that.
Love.
All right, so hopefully you enjoyed the show.
Yes.
It certainly was a great time. Remember, we have our mini-series, so 7 p.m. every Wednesday. In the month of August, we will be sharing all of our goodies and spending some time with all of you. So thanks for popping on. We'll give you a Sunday check-in on Facebook as well, where we'll sneak peek for you the mitten towel set.
Absolutely.
Okay?
And wait, another thing. Your video. Wait till they see the video. Your recipe video.
Yeah. So we worked with QVC. They had me shoot about 4 different recipes to share. So the first one is out. It's just a simple trail mix of probably ingredients you already have in your pantry. But when you put them all together, it makes a healthy snack that you can take on the go. So you'll start to see some of those as well if you haven't already. All right, now I'm serious. We're gonna go.
Well, we got to go to work.
Seasonal shaped cookie jar. That's cute. Seasonal shaped cookie jars. Like a shell.
That's really
That's
cute.
cute.
Okay,
cute.
so you know what I'll do? I'll start a post on our page right now. What would you love to see us
Yes.
create?
Oh, I love
and
that.
all your ideas right here, because it's hard for us to keep track of it
Yeah.
all. If you could, under that post, write everything you'd like to see. And then we'll bring it into our design meeting next
I
week.
love that. I love. Okay. All right. For real. We're leaving. Good night. Thank you for joining us for the hour show. We adore all of you. Happy baking. Happy setting tables and tablescaping and centertaining. And until we see each other again on Sunday. Lisa will be on Saturday, right?
Yep,
in the
I'll be with
kitchen
Mary.
with Mary. And Bryn is, when is Bryn on?
Not this weekend.
Not this weekend. She
Yes.
was just on this morning,
That's
right?
right, she was on this
She was on
morning.
this morning. So the team is here sharing everything Temp-tations, and we will see you guys all soon.
Bye, everyone.
Bye. Bye, Ed. I'll call you later. Bye.